I've been thinking of you sometimes.
Food.
Actually, I've been thinking of you all the time. I've been thinking of you, my dear. I've been thinking of us under the sun.
getting two, huh? This guy's getting greedy.
Huh? 57, 15, 17, 20. 20 years old.
The youngest in Luke. He's like, you got bananas, give me the bananas. You need the kathoey. Lady boy.
Oh, you got two? Early morning, if you need the fresh seafood with Tranquil, it's most of local people they know.
As we're running out of moonlight in the summer, oh, blinded but still I'm looking up. I can see it all. Forget my eyes, the light gets low. Maybe you could free my soul. Forget all your words, and I'll try to let you ease my mind. Need you like the shade in the summer. Oh, won't you take it slow? All we've got is time, so I'd like to let you ease my mind. Need you like the shade in the summer, in the summer.
Your bread.
Another breath, give another smile to be close by you. Take another breath, give another step to be close by you. Maybe you could free my soul. Forget all your words, and I'll try to let you ease my mind. Need you like the shade in the summer. Oh, won't you take it slow? All we've got is time, so I'd like to let you ease my mind. Need you like the shade in the summer. Where the time goes, summer goes.
Is that a dog?
Hello, mister. Please send me to I want